Are you being annoyed by the Microsoft Win32 installer DLL error causing system instability? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic steps to fix your execution path. While preparing the manual steps for Microsoft Win32 installer, check the description for a tool that assists with background library management. This is the Microsoft Win32 installer, a non-standard naming convention for the Windows installer wrapper found in localized repacks or custom modded launchers. It handles the redirected registry-write calls for software setup. Because it shares a name with OS structures, it is a high-risk file for malware infection. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. This is a Windows system integrity error involving a core library. I suggest using the system file checker by running sfc/scan now in an administrator command prompt to let the system automatically heal files like Microsoft Win32 installer DLL. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your applications directory. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Microsoft Win32 installer component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Remember that manual replacement of Microsoft Win32 installer DLL is highly risky. Using unverified files from the internet can cause permanent damage to your Windows registry and lead to complete system failure. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. A recommended diagnostic path for Microsoft Win32 installer management is outlined in the software resource linked below. I hope this resolved the conflict preventing Microsoft Win32 installer from launching. For more deep dive technical tutorials and system configuration guides, subscribe to our channel today.